Hey guys, I'm making this video for my dad. He's recovering from cancer, so he's not able to get around like he used to. And so he asked if I could video the land for him and he could see what I've been up to. And this way I could show you the looping. You can kind of see how this property's laid out. This right here is the section that I've been working on last time. That I've been clearing out because it has a nice natural canopy to it. And there's my brush pile at the bottom. And as I turn the corner here, this is where I was going to put the pig fence up. But my buddy with the pigs, he's a volunteer firefighter, and the fires in Washington got pretty bad, so I didn't get any pigs this season, but it's understandable. Cut a chunk out of this. Walking around, there's brush pile, got that covered because hopefully it'll start raining soon. Cut that log off, or the end off. I was hoping to make a bench out of it, but Mom said it's plithy, which means it's dry and rotten. Another brush pile. Last time I wasn't on camera, but I dug the dead fallen trees that were here. And there's the property line over there. And as we go up the hill here, I'll see if my husband watches my videos. Because if he does, he'll call me out. Last time, well, not last time, but a couple times ago, I tried flying the drone again. I got it up for a minute before I crashed it. And being that I crashed it, I instantly had to clear this spot to try and find it because it wasn't a cheap drone. So I had to make sure I didn't leave it in the woods. So yeah, as you can see, this is where I do my intro video. If you look to the left, you'll see that one of my first pallet projects was making a chair out of a pallet. Yeah, I had to clear all this to find the drone. I was standing about right here when I took off, and then it hit a tree and it ended up right there, which is how I got this nice little spontaneously cleaned out. But it gives me a nice view of more of the slope and land. And it doesn't look too bad, not like there's too much left to do. There's a ton to do, but I can see progress. Large stumps, they're all over the place. But yeah, doesn't look half bad, and it makes me feel good when I can see it like this from up here. So yeah, I gotta download this and show my dad, and hope it kind of gives you guys an idea of the layout too. Thanks again.